mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Welcome to my vlog, my Kama Buhay and Kama Warriors. Once again, I am your retired teacher being Erlinda Being Basilio Rindon. Live and alive here in SM Ecoland, Davao City. Just sharing you my SM moments on a day of Tuesday. This is the actual situation here inside the shopping center. So comfy, so cozy, and let me point to you the perfect spot for picture perfect. Yes, they have the Christmas decorations now, wherein many people are here for picture, the adults, the ones was young, for this Christmas tree and other Christmas decorations. It's really a perfect spot. As you can see, many people are having their pose and click here. So wonderful moment. Super cool here. Sobrang lamig. SM Happy Holidays 2024. The amazing Christmas tree. Wow. So big. Almost reaching the roof or the ceiling of the SM. So let's have our pose. I love also this one, their decoration. Santa's Toy Wonderland. So this is Santa's Toy Wonderland. Amazing. Wonderful one. Let's go to Rodolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Wow! Super red, my favorite color. Have a look with this beautiful Santa Claus Wonderland. Terrific, breathtaking, spectacular view here in SM City, Ecoland, Davao. I am unstoppable. In as much as my words of wisdom, if there's no picture or video, it did not happen. So let's have a video, let's have a picture. And my back, that's the exact location. You're already so tired of walking here in the shopping center. You can just look for vacant chair there at my back. Okay, let's go around for more decorations. What are you waiting for? Come now to SM City, Ecoland for your rejuvenation, revitalizing, like me, just having my escapades. Okay, that's the escalator. Okay, another picture perfect. Okay, this is it. SM City, Davao 2024. Santa Claus Toy Wonderland. SM. You know what's the meaning of SM? Shoe mark. The owner was just a former what's this shoe shining, or making a business about shining shoes. So here it is now. the Shoe Mart, but I have another version. Kada Sabado sa Maranao Market. Oo, pwede rin yan. Okay? Join me now as I captured the events here in SM Ecoland, Davao City. Really wonderful. I love SM City most of the shopping center because it's really a big shopping center and super cool, super lamig. The air condition, I love it. Nice one. Just go around. It's already lunchtime and the shopping centers goers are now starting to jump pack here in SM Ecoland. More people are going inside for their relaxing moment. I love sitting there when I'm tired already, walking in the shopping center. SM City Davao, Santa's Toy Wonderland, SM. SM City Davao. Mabuhay Santa, Santa Claus. So, just sharing you my moments as I have my rejuvenation, revitalizing on this shopping center. One day is not enough for this area. Super big, super wide, and so many stores, so many people inside that you can love also having friends with them. That's the French Baker. I love that also, especially the Munay bread. French Baker. Take a look of different restaurant. Tung Yang Plus, Kabalen. Kenny Rogers is also here. Okay lang. Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers Lobster. Of course, another amazing spot for picture perfect is a garden of flowers like that. The fountain, which signifies blessing. Overflowing blessings. Take a look of their flowers. Amazing. Awesome flowers. Of course, I love the sound of the water flowing from the jar. The flowers are for my eyes only. At this time in my life, we have enough time already to take good care. Although I love flowers so much. So let's enjoy the beautiful nature Means God have created flowers everywhere. Above all, water is life. Where the river of God flows, blessing overflows. So nice flowers also. On my back, we have the escalator. Okay, let's take a glance again of the flowing water. Really pleasant to the eyes, penetrating inside our heart and mind of happiness, just listening to the sound of the water. Let's capture again more of the flowers here. I do not know the names of these amazing, awesome flowers. Were my eyes on orchids. I'm hesitant to touch. I might be able to destroy the flowers. So we don't have resources to pay for the damaged flowers. Wow, I think this is aglo. Yeah, aglo. About the aglos. Wow, I love this one. Unique exemplary design. Really, I love this. The arts of God that is really unfathomable. Summer flowers, orchids. Cactus. So I was able to name two flowers here, the aglo and the cactus. Okay, sharing you for other flowers here. Join me as I capture this variety of flowers. Wow, beautiful. So let's take more glimpses over there. I love going to the shopping center because I can have my walking exercise also here. Super cool and comfortable walking exercise. Restaurant here. What's the name of this restaurant? What's that? Blue Bat Bailey? How do you pronounce that? Crabs and shrimps. We have also the hukad, everyday Filipino. I was once here. I also experienced eating in hukad just once. And Kuya J, I've never experienced yet. Kuya J restaurant. Healthy options. Oh, flowers again. Artificial flowers. Also available here in Carlene's Flower Shop. The entrance. I'm not here in Annex. So let's just continue our unboxing, unplugging. Candy mix. Yeah, their candy mix. They're showing you their items here. Candy mix for your kids. For now, this is just my captured episodes. A day in SM Ecolan. It's already lunch time, but I don't have plan to eat inside the restaurant. I have my baon. Okay, my papaya and of course the gardenia bread. This is my baon. When I'm inside the mall, I don't used to eat on restaurant. So papaya, including the gardenia raisins, healthy options. Let's look for a place so we can eat this one. I hope the guard will let me eat my baon on the place for those who are already tired of walking. What are you waiting for? Come now and relax, chill, rejuvenate. You do not need a big amount of money to be here. Just bring yourself. Yeah, bring yourself. Okay, show me a mall and I will tell you what is happiness. So for now, this is my SM moments. SM moments in the life of the retired teacher. No stress, no tension. No ringing of my cell phone asking me of my whereabouts. Yes, it's a wonderful life. Come now and join me here in my SM experience and SM exploration. Live and alive here in SM Ecolan. I am your teacher vlogger. Retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rendon. Mabuhay, good morning in the afternoon. Long life, good person. Good life, good person. If there's no picture or video, it did not happen. If what you have done is not excellent, I'm telling you, you have done nothing. God is good all the time. Thank you everyone for your views and the time to watch all my vlogs. Thank you Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers, my FB friends, viewers, followers, and everyone on Facebook. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube Mabuhay channel and my Facebook account. Follow more for more vlogs. I'm your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive, SM City, Ikulan, Davao City. Signing off. Thank you everyone. Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay! And good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mabuhay!